Did you know about the versatile benefits of coconut oil? This unique oil, packed with medium-chain fatty acids, is a powerhouse of health and wellness. From heart health to weight loss, it's truly a versatile addition to any lifestyle. It can even improve brain function, boost digestion, and enhance your skin and hair health. Plus, its antioxidant, immune-supporting, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a must-have in your wellness routine. Stay tuned as we delve into the amazing health benefits of coconut oil. Let's start with your heart. Yes, the one that beats for you every second. Coconut oil, despite being a saturated fat, is a friend to your heart. The medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, found in coconut oil can actually help increase your good cholesterol levels and lower the bad. Now imagine this, the same MCTs can boost your weight loss efforts. They increase calorie burn and fat oxidation, while also promoting a feeling of fullness. So, coconut oil can not only keep your heart happy, but also support you on your weight loss journey. Moving on to another vital organ, your brain. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil are transformed into ketones, a readily available energy source for our brains. This can lead to improved cognitive function, a potentially significant benefit for those with cognitive impairments. Transitioning from brain to belly, coconut oil's lauric acid content displays antimicrobial properties, helping to eliminate harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi in our digestive tract, promoting healthier digestion and gut health. That's right, coconut oil can boost your brain and your belly. Now let's talk about beauty, and no, not just skin deep. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer, enhancing skin hydration and reducing inflammation. It's also a treatment for skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Your hair can also reap the benefits, with coconut oil reducing dryness, split ends, and promoting hair growth. But let's not forget about dental health. Oil pulling with coconut oil can reduce harmful bacteria, plaque, and gingivitis. From glowing skin to healthy hair and teeth, coconut oil has got you covered. But that's not all. Coconut oil also plays a role in your overall wellness. Packed with antioxidants, it neutralizes harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This mighty oil also bolsters your immune system. Thanks to its lauric acid content, it possesses antimicrobial and antiviral properties, defending against infections. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory effects. The medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, work to soothe inflammation in the body. Indeed, coconut oil is a versatile ally for your health and well-being. So, what have we learned about coconut oil today? From heart health to weight loss support, brain function to digestive health, coconut oil shows its versatility. It steps up as a natural moisturizer for skin and hair, and even plays a role in dental hygiene. And let's not forget its antioxidant, immune-supporting, and anti-inflammatory properties. Make coconut oil a part of your lifestyle, and embrace the versatile benefits it offers. Until next time, stay healthy.